Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how in bool returns most of the value in true case. Fine. So most of the boolean returns the true case. In the which cases it returns only true and not giving you a false. Let's see. So almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content. You understand? If there is any content in a particular variable or any data present in a variable, it returns the true. Any string is true except empty string. Okay, so whatever string you have to declare except empty string, it returns to true. Any number is true except 0. So which cases it returns the true and except what? Except 0 and any number is going to be true. Any list, tuple, set, dictionary are true except empty ones. So let's see all these things through example. You better understand how the boolean it returns the true and which cases it returns to the false. Let's see. So first we have to use some any value. Okay, that means any value. Suppose x equal to any value, suppose 12. Suppose 12, that is the integer, the number is true except 0. So when print, and here I will take bool x and it returns you true, and which case it returns the false if x is 0, otherwise it always return you true. Okay, so if you added here 90, it also true. Okay, understand how in the number form it returns you true. Then next, string, any string except empty string. Suppose there is a x equal to string QWERTY. Okay, when it is going to be print bool x, then what is going to be written? It's a true. And when it is x equal to empty string, there is no string. Okay, then print bool x. So it returns you false because it is an empty string. Okay, fine, you understand what is it is going to be run out. Then x equal to, suppose there is a list 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, this is the list. Print bool then L, then see what is going to be written here. So here L is not defined, sorry, not L, that is x, that is a x. See, it's a true. If this list x is equal to suppose empty list, this is a empty list, fine, and here is x, bool x, then what is going to be written? It's a false. So just like if you go for the x equal to dictionary and print bool x, then it is going to be written x and set, it both have in this particular line, it's both are defined, set and dictionary. Then last one I will taken as x equal to tuple. So how could I identify this is a list, tuple, set and a dictionary? Upcoming videos you also know about details how these are the these are the arrays are going to be work, because these are the also called a data structure in a Python. So see, this is a tuple, so this bracket is presenting as a list, this bracket is presenting, that is a curly bracket. Okay, so that is called a set dictionary, fine. For which bracket? This bracket. Now last one is the x is the parenthesis, and this is also list tuple, fine. Okay, that's it. False. You understand how it is going to be written here? Most of the values are true, and which cases and since it is returns to the false, by help of we bool function we detect it. Okay, if you have any doubt further, go through the comment box and type there, and in future videos I will make that particular doubt, which are generally if there is any sense is coming, then I go making a video. Please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon. When I upload future videos, you will get the notifications, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.